He pōturi, he oi, he timatanga kaha mā te kapa Canterbury A.
Our team just hyped us up on the bench and on the court, and we were just like communicating well, and it was just a really good time.
He tukinga o te nota me te tonga, ko tāmaki makaurau te huariri o te wā. Hanga atu i te pōturi, ko Lisa Proctor McGregor me tana tīma, I whakapau kaha I te wāhanga tuatahi nā te tāhai, kia tūturu te noho ki te puari piro.
I think our defensive pressure was really good throughout the game. Heaps of concepts, offense and defense, but we just trained hard and ripping it out.
This would have been Liz's big game, and again, we've had a different girl step up each time, but Liz really kind of showed a leadership and sense of maturity about her that was able to go from our starting group, who started the fourth quarter really well.
No te hawhe tuarua I hoki toa mai te kapa waitaha mā te whai piro e toru. Kamatu, e ngā nāna te kapa o tāmaki kia hoki piro mai ki te puari.
Our third quarter, we dropped a bit in our hype and like our comms, like I think just knowing what we're doing as a team.
Liz hit it perfectly on the head, just like our comms and making sure we're on the same page, that we're all on the same coverages, and we know what we're doing, and it's just as simple as talking to each other on a consistent basis, and that solves a lot of issues.
Aha kua te whakapaukaha o tāmaki. Kāre I rāwaka ki te patu I te haukāinga. I mutu wawe te kemu, a I toa te tīma 87 ki te 46. Ka pika atu te tīma waitaha ki ngā whiringa whāiti, ka tuki rātou ki te kapa o Waikato.
I think just putting our best foot forward no matter what, like really enjoying like being present in the moment. Winning tonight, would we love that? But at the end of the day, it's kind of what do we get out of this experience?
Everyone wants it, everyone wants to win, and just good vibes, intensive defense.
Ka tū te kemu whiringa toa, hei te hauwhā mai I te waru karaka I te pō nei. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.